With a body tool, you're going to grab these pins and just pull up on them. There's 2 of them. And you can grab this, just slide it right out of the airbox. I'm going to remove the upper bracket for that covers the belt, drive belt, 10mm socket. Loosen up the alternator back bracket to pull this out of the way. That's a 12mm socket. You can lift that right up. Now we're going to loosen up the alternator belt tensioner, 12mm socket. And then I can, same 12mm. Now we can remove the belt. And we're going to remove the belt, AC belt, 12mm socket. Loosen up the pulley nut and then the adjuster. Now we can slide the AC belt right off. Now we can put the belt on. Make sure you get plenty of room there. Slide it over the AC compressor. Make sure it lines up on the crank and the pulley. And then I'm going to snug it up. Now we're going to tighten this one and tighten this to 11.8 foot-pounds. I'm going to put the alternator belt on around the power steering pump and around the alternator. Now we can snug that up. Make sure it sits in all the grooves. Before I torque that down and tighten that down, I'm going to put the bracket back on and put it between the 2 washers. Put the fat washer against the alternator. That one like that. Bolt goes there. So now I can tighten this up, the brackets in place. So I'm going to torque up the alternator adjusting bolt, and that's 22 foot-pounds. I'm going to do the back bolt at 22 foot-pounds. Putting the last back cover on, line that one up. That's a 10mm socket. Let's put the air dam in. So before you remount these, you have to take this bushing off of the plastic clip. Then you can put the bushing in, like that. Do the same to the other side. Once they're both in, line them up and just push the push tab right in.